Number 19 tells us that Jenny has finished 12 of the 20 lessons from her piano book. Liam has finished the same percent of lessons from his piano book. His book contains 30 lessons. How many has he finished? So, even though it says the same percent, we don't need to do the is over of to figure out the percent and then convert that over here. This is simply another equivalent ratio problem. So I could say 12, let's slide that over a little bit. 12 over 20, which is what Jenny had, equals something over 30. Because remember, the bottom number here, the 20 lessons was the total amount, the 30 lessons is going to be his total amount, and the top represents the amount that's finished. So we could say 12 over 20 equals x over 30, and we can cross multiply and solve there. So if I do 12 times 30, 12 times 30, and then I'm going to divide that by 20. Again, we say cross multiply and then divide. Let's plug that in and see what happens in Desmos. 12 times 30 divided by 20. And notice I didn't press the divide symbol the first time like I told you to. So watch what happens. If I press it now, I get something that looks like this. So let's just fix that by doing 12 times up here. On the bottom, let's put our 20 there. And then let's just delete this. And that gives us 18. So 18 would be representative of the number of pages that he's finished. Or the number of lessons. But for this, some of you may say, well, I don't want to use a calculator and I don't want to do cross multiply and divide. And you can actually see another way. You can see that to get from 20 to 30, that is another 10. Could I represent this original fraction as something over 10? Well, to get from 20 to 10, you would divide by 2. So what's 12 divided by 2? 6. So if I want to see what the total of 30 would be, I can do the 20 plus the 10 gives me 30 here. So my top would be the 6 plus the 12, which is 18. But cross multiply and divide will get you there as well.